over, man.
Yo, nation, what's happening, man? First, I want to tell y'all, man, hey, look, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man, for subscribing to the channel. If you're watching this and you have subscribed to the channel, man, please do so, man. Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Make sure you hit that notification bell, man, so you'll know every time I post. Sitting here, man, and well, I'm at the house, but I'm sitting here in what's soon to be our studio slash entertainment area slash whatever. Studio, man, though. Studio, chill spot, whatever. All that. But I really came to just holler at y'all, man, just to see. I know this. Let me say this. This was my first Vlogmas. So I know it was all over the place. Like I think I done pretty good, but I think I done bad at the same time because, like I said, I was all over the place. Yeah, man, I had a lot of stuff going on, so I was really working through what I had going on, man, to try to get y'all content, and it kind of came out the way it came out. For the most part, though, I think y'all got kind of a gist of, or a whole lot of what I do when I'm not dealing with the car. So yeah, I let y'all in that part of my life. Also, to back up to what I just said about this will be our studio, or our entertainment room, or entertainment hall, or whatever you want to call it. Me and Ash, or Ashley, or whatever. I know y'all seen her a lot in the videos. But yeah, we about to do our first DIY project, which is this room right here. We're gonna start here, and then we're gonna go through the rest of the house, which, you know, those projects will be series as well. But we have our channel, Life of Ash and B, and you know, all of that stuff will be on that channel, which I have a couple videos that I'm about to put over there now. Yeah, cause we haven't been uploading over there, so I gotta do that. And yeah, but for the most part, man, I just really wanted to come and you know, sit down in front of the camera, man, and see what y'all liked about my vlogmas attempt, man. My first vlogmas attempt. Which y'all didn't like, you know, whatever, man. I'm, you know, whatever. Just let me know. I'm a. Man, I think I broke it. I guess I'll let y'all see what this look like. Yeah, I'll let y'all see what it look like. This is the stage that it's in now. We got brown curtains, brown crown molding, brown chair railings, brown baseboards. I don't know what these are called, but that's brown. But all of that is about to be white. We're gonna see, I've been sanding on that door, but everything is about to be, all that's about to be white. It's about to be a bar on this side with bar stools. It will be a liquor bar here, beverage bar. I'm gonna say liquor bar, beverage bar here. More than likely it's gonna be liquor though, and that's going there. And it's gonna be, I think that's gonna be a pretty dope design. Ashley came up with that. Actually, Ashley came up with a lot of this stuff. She came up with the bar right here. The color, the color scheme. So she came up with everything. So, you know, I'm gonna give her credit, her props on that. I'm gonna get in here and do the work, and man, try to make it as realistic for her as possible. But yeah, so like I said, man, let's see if I can get back to where I was, my positioning. Like I said though, damn, this little bar table. But yeah, I don't know where I left off at, but damn, I don't know where I left off at. But yeah, this little bar stool and like this finna go. I think my auntie wanted, so I'm gonna donate that to her. But yeah, man, for the most part, like I said with the vloggers, man, I think I did pretty good. Based on the stuff that I was facing while I was doing it. But I mean, hey, next year, man, it's just, you know, it'll be just that much more fun, man. It was a learning experience, so it'll be just that much more fun, man, for me to get into it, you know what I'm saying, next year. But if y'all haven't subscribed to me and Ash channel, man, it's Life of Ash and B, like I said. Go over there, man. Give me a subscribe, man. I mean, for the most part, it's family stuff. I have family stuff on this channel too, but for the most part, it's just it's me and her, you know, and me and her and family stuff, and you know, y'all can see how we act like we for real deal. Like, I think it's funny, me personally. It's just the way we talk to each other, the way we interact while we around each other. Like, I think it's funny. So yeah, man, please like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that notification bell over there, man, at Life of Ash and B, man. Also, man, we have an Instagram, Life of Ash and B. We ain't done a whole lot, so we ain't posted a whole lot, but we do post over there. So yeah, man, if y'all can, man, get that popping, man. What else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, man, it's just gonna be a lot, man. It's gonna be a lot coming up. Um, like I said, DIY stuff, man, stuff around the house, remodels, stuff we ain't never done before. So y'all gonna get to see, y'all gonna get to see us, man. Uh, More than likely go at it about little stuff like that, man. But it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be all love. Um, I think that's it, man. I think that's about it. Um, right now, I'm about to get in here and do some cleaning, do some editing. Like I said, I gotta put some videos over on the other channel. This one will be on the BL Nation channel. Cause I really just want y'all feedback on the vlog, a whole Vlogmas thing. Um, I got a lot of upgrades to discuss on the car. I haven't really put a plan in motion yet on how I'm gonna do that. Or no, not how I'm gonna do it. I know how I'm gonna do it, but I haven't put a plan in motion on when I'm gonna do it. Be looking out for that though. Yeah, man, we gonna make 2021, man, better than 2020. That's really all I, can say really. So yeah, man. Like once again, man, I really, really, really appreciate y'all's support, man. Oh, hood is available now. Y'all can DM me at BLO Nation, man, on Instagram to purchase your hoodies, man. I will have the snapbacks. We'll have these snapbacks and the skull caps available again shortly. So yeah. So yeah, man. I just hope y'all kick it with me, stay with me, man. Kick it with me, man. Let's move it on up, man. We still trying to get to that 2K subs, man. Still ain't got there yet, but I know it's coming, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, trying to get to that 2K subs, man. I got a nice little giveaway that I want to give. You know what I'm saying? That I want to, do for that. Just to give back, as far as, to my supporters and whatnot. So, yeah, man. I think I'm gonna call this one a wrap, man. Like I said, man, follow the other channel, Life of Ash and B. Well, subscribe to the other channel, Life of Ash and B. Follow the Instagram, Life of Ash and B, and BLO Nation. Yeah, that's really all I got. So, it's your boy BLO 25, man. It is what it is.